Hi, my name's Rob Thompson. I'm the Senior Engineer in Paint Operations. I'm responsible for the processes that produce the paint finish on the new Mulsanne. We receive the car from body in white via an overhead conveyor, and it then processes through a series of dips and rinses where the car is treated with alkali cleaners and a phosphate acid to provide corrosion protection for both the underneath and the outside of the vehicle. The next stage of the process is the car is processed through what we call an electrocoat bath. The car is immersed in a water-based paint, an electrical charge is put through the car and the pigment migrates onto the body, both on the underneath, inside the box sections and the outside. The car goes through a series of rinses to clean off the excess coatings and then is cured at 170 degrees C. The car then goes through a series of inspection activities before it is cleaned and masked prior to the top coat applications. The top coat consists of 3 coats of water-based base coat which is applied by hand, followed by 2 coats of robot-applied clear lacquer. There are 115 colours in the standard colour range, including 28 which are specific for the Mulsanne launch. We also have an unlimited palette which a customer can choose from provided the colour is technically feasible. From this point on, all paint processes on the Mulsanne are carried out by hand to achieve the world-class mirror finish that Bentley is renowned for. We use a series of fine papers and polishes to enhance the surface, followed by a final detail inspection to ensure all quality standards are met. This is not the end of our involvement. After the car has completed its build cycle, there is a final valet and polish process prior to leaving crew.